Hey, what's up, Pancakeswap holder? This time Pancakeswap is completely on the trending and the price will be increasing very fastly and get a very good profits now, my brother. So Pancakeswap is one of the good options, my brother, in a crypto market. They will make you millionaire now and they will give a profits now. First of all, we need, my brothers, to see the Pancakeswap update, and after that, my brother, we will take a decision to sell, hold or buy, and what we need, my brothers, to do now. So the change occurring is going to be good now, positive now, and I am so happy, brothers, to see this, because this is not my friend's small chance to take a profit. Definitely in upcoming time the price will be increasing very fastly now and give you a profit. So please don't please don't sell it and hold it and wait for a good time. But if you starting selling, so definitely they will completely go now and lost now. So please, without research, my brother, please don't take any decision. And after that, my brother, when you, my friends, 100% are sure to they will move upward. So just take a risk and get a profits now. In upcoming time, my friends, there is a lot of chances they will give you a profit, but it's my friend, impossible they will make you millionaire now, because this is not a stable coin. So sometimes they will fails down very badly and sometimes they will move upward now. So if you invest for a short time, so I'm 100% sure they will make you millionaire now. Please, in a short time, get a very good profit now, and please don't take any risk, my brother, for a long time. Thanks for watching, Pancakeswap holder. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Please kindly, if you are new to my channel, just click the subscribe button and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.